Hello friends, today we are making Eggs Benedict. This dish is perfect for Sunday brunch, so grab a mimosa and let's get started. In a medium saucepan, heat about 2 quarts of water to 185 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar to your hot water and stir. Break your eggs into small bowls. Turn off heat and gently pour your eggs into the water. Allow to cook for 3 to 5 minutes depending on how you like your eggs. We cooked ours for 4 minutes. Once eggs are done, carefully remove with a slotted spoon and place on a paper towel to dry. For the hollandaise sauce, add 3 egg yolks to a blender along with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cover and turn on low speed while slowly adding 1 stick of melted butter. Blend until sauce has thickened, about 45 seconds. While your English muffins are being toasted, heat up your favorite deli ham in a skillet. We used thick slices of deli Black Forest ham and we cut them to fit the English muffins. Transfer your hollandaise sauce to a dish and add salt and pepper to taste. Well, there you have it, a delicious, easy to make Eggs Benedict. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and enjoy.